I try to be my best self, but I fall sometimes. I do. Bloodshot eyes, wasted nights with strangers helps to get me through. 'Cause I'm just looking for a good time. 'Cause I've been working on baby. I know it's Tuesday. 'Cause I'm just looking for a good time. 'Cause I've been walking on a thin line these days. Will you another shot of whiskey? Oh, baby, I know it's Tuesday. Please
Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for staying with me. And lastly, thank you for bearing my child.
You are the kind of person who's willing to give everything without any condition. At hindi ka nagkulang dun. Thank you for always trying your best to give the love that I deserve. You really brought me to Disneyland, a happiest place on earth.
these thoughts of mine, overthinking I should have.
Umeffect yung baby dust.
Pili!
Umeffect yung baby dust. And, ayan, congratulations. I love you. And thank you sa friendship natin. Okay.
Will you another shot of whiskey?
Saksi ako kung gaano ka hinubog ng panahon. Kaya alam ko, ready ka na para dito.
Please share with me. Please share with me. Please share with me. Please share with me. 'Cause I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, baby, I know it's Tuesday. Please share with me. Baby, I'm falling head over heels, looking for ways to let you know just how I feel. I wish I was
Good luck sa
holding.
inyo and sana maging mabuti kang asawa. Good luck, anak. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Mabait ka naman eh. Minsan lang. Lalo na pag tulog ka, para kang daddy mo.
Meron ka ng bagong priority, syempre, pamilya mo. Kami mga kapatid mo, lagi lang naman dito sa gilid. Pag kailangan mo pera, si ate maglo-loan. Yan.
Sana maging masaya yung family niyo dalawa.
You're the right time at the right moment. You're the sunlight keeps my heart going. Whoa, know when I'm with you, I can't keep myself from falling. Right time.
Sa totoo lang, namimiss kita. Kasi, ang tagal mo na wala sa tabi ko.
Kakaroon ko na ng anak, malalaman mo na kung bakit ako mas mahigpit kaysa mama mo.
Tandaan mo lagi, magdasal ka lagi na para gabayan ka lagi nila. Mahal na mahal kita na.
It's you. Baby, I'm falling deeper in love. Everything that you are is all I'm dreaming of. And if I can't break enough to show you
Doon ako naniniwala mula sa Isaiah 16:22, when the time is right, I, the Lord, I will make it happen. Ayun ang mga pasabi sa'yo, malamang.
Na-realize ko na yung tamang panahon. Kusa palang darating at kung kailan mo pipiliin. Kung kailan mo paninindigan yung pagmamahal mo sa isang tao.
is you, 'cause you're the right time.
I want you to know that you are God's reminder to me that despite my imperfection, I have a person who always chooses to accept me.
I know when I'm with you, I can't keep myself from falling. Right time at the right moment.
I can't promise you everything, but I will promise to be enough. Enough to give you good life, enough to make your day brighter, enough to take away your stresses, enough to give you strength, enough to give you joy in life, enough to satisfy your wantings, and enough love for the rest of your life.
Bago natin palakpakan, tingnan natin sila sa kanilang first kiss after their wedding.
I am looking forward to more adventure and experience with you. I love you, and at every table I say you as well.